Hello everyone, myself Ishwara, a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and my topic for today is medical negligence. Medical negligence is a misconduct by the medical practitioner or doctors by not providing enough care and taking a proper safeguards and measures resulting in the breach of their duties and harming the patients. In this mentioned the case of medical practitioner negligence may failure to act through the standards of moderately ready clinical men or the time. Then there are some essential conditions and ingredients that constitute the act of medical negligence. Negligence is a breach of legal duty. For example, a procedure of ordering has to ensure the quality of product and produces in case if he falls to amount of the negligence. A medical practitioner or a doctor who possesses the knowledge and skills for the purpose of giving advice and providing the treatment owns a certain duty of his or her patient which were mentioned by the Supreme Court. Then there are some duties of medical practitioners towards a patient. Our first one is obligation to sick. Second one is prognosis. Third one is patient secrecy. Fourth one is the patient must be neglected, and last one is engagement of obstetric case. Let us read is brief. Obligation of to sick. A physician or medical practitioner won't consistently be certain to deal with each individual who asked for his service, but he could not continuously compel to reply the calls to ill and will have a mindful of the high character of the mission and obligations and accountability he discharges in direction of the professional responsibility. Prognosis. This physician should never exaggerate or minimize the gravity of the patient condition and enlightenment. Third one is the patient and secrecy. A physician must have a patient and delicacy. The confidential about the details of the patient and his enlightenment needs to maintain by the physician. However, in the few cases, the physician may reveal about these matters if he feels his duty towards the society and particular person is more important. Fourth one is a patient must not be neglected. A physician or a doctor is free to choose whom he will treat or serve, but he should respond to any request need for his assistant in case of emergency. Thank you.